Music has an incredible power over us. It can shift our moods, it can change our energy. And as more and more people are discovering, it can heal. This is the power of healing energy music. This special kind of music goes beyond simple entertainment. It touches the very core of our being. Healing energy music uses specific sounds and frequencies. These can help our bodies relax and our minds find peace. It's like a gentle massage for our souls. This music can bring us back into balance. It helps us feel whole again. The best part is that healing energy music is for everyone. You don't need any special skills or knowledge. All you need is an open mind and a willingness to explore the amazing power of sound. Let's explore the world of healing energy music together. Discover how it can bring more peace, joy, and well-being into your life. How can simple sounds create such profound changes within us? The answer lies in the science of sound and vibration. Everything in the universe, including our bodies, is in a constant state of vibration. When we listen to music, our brains respond to these vibrations. Certain frequencies, especially those found in nature, can have a calming effect on our nervous system. These slow down our heart rate. They can even reduce stress hormones in the body. Healing energy music is often created with these specific frequencies in mind. Think of a time you felt stressed or anxious. Did you notice how your breathing changed? Maybe your heart raced a little faster. Healing music works to counteract these stress responses. It promotes relaxation and inner peace. Science is just beginning to understand the full potential of music as a healing tool. But one thing is clear. Sound has a powerful effect on our physical and mental well-being. The benefits of healing energy music go beyond simple relaxation. They can have a real impact on our physical health too. Studies have shown that listening to calming music can lower blood pressure, reduce muscle tension, and even improve sleep quality. Imagine listening to a piece of music that makes you feel like you're floating on a cloud. Your muscles loosen, your mind quiets. This is the power of music at work. Music can be especially helpful for managing chronic pain. By shifting our focus away from discomfort, healing sounds can provide a sense of relief and well-being. This isn't about masking pain, but about providing our bodies and minds with the tools they need to heal. Whether you're dealing with a specific health challenge or simply want to enhance your overall well-being, healing energy music can be a powerful ally on your journey to better health. Our minds are constantly bombarded with information. It's no wonder that so many of us struggle with stress, anxiety, and difficulty focusing. Healing energy music offers a sanctuary from the mental noise. It allows us to reconnect with our inner peace. Think of healing music as a form of meditation. As you listen, let the sounds wash over you. Let go of thoughts and worries. With practice, you'll find that it becomes easier to access this state of calmness. This practice has incredible benefits for our mental well-being. By reducing stress and anxiety, we create space for greater clarity, focus, and emotional balance. Regular listening can even lead to greater self-awareness and a deeper understanding of our emotions. Healing energy music doesn't offer a quick fix, but a path towards greater mental clarity and emotional resilience. Section 5. Soundscapes for the soul, popular healing music. The world of healing energy music is vast and varied. There's something for everyone, from the gentle sounds of nature to the soothing melodies of classical music. The key is to find what resonates with you, what brings you a sense of peace and tranquility. For those new to healing music, here are a few popular examples. Nature sounds. The sounds of rain, waves crashing, or wind rustling through trees can be incredibly soothing. Classical music. Certain composers like Bach and Mozart created music with frequencies that are naturally calming. Ambient music. This genre often features long, drawn-out sounds and minimal melodies, creating a sense of spaciousness and calm. Binaural beats. These tracks use specific frequencies to create the illusion of a third sound, which can induce relaxation and even alter brainwave states. Don't be afraid to explore and experiment. You might be surprised at what you discover. There are countless artists and composers dedicated to creating music specifically for healing and relaxation. Section 6. Integrating healing sounds. Tips for daily life. One of the best things about healing energy music is how easy it is to incorporate into your daily routine. You don't need any special equipment or a lot of time. Even a few minutes of listening can make a difference. Here are a few ideas. Start your day with healing music. Set a peaceful tone for the day ahead by listening to calming music as you get ready. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Listen to soothing sounds as you prepare for sleep to promote deeper and more restful sleep. Use music for focus and concentration. Play ambient or instrumental music in the background while you work or study to improve focus and concentration. Take a mindful music break. Step away from the screen and listen to a few minutes of calming music to reduce stress and rejuvenate your mind. Don't be afraid to get creative. You can play healing music during a relaxing bath while practicing yoga or even while cooking dinner. The key is to find what works best for you and to make it a regular part of your life. Section 7. Ancient Echoes, a history of healing music. The idea of using music for healing is not new. For centuries, cultures around the world have recognized the profound connection between sound and well-being. Ancient civilizations used drums, flutes, and chanting to heal the sick, promote relaxation, and connect with the spiritual realm. In ancient Greece, music was considered an essential part of medicine. The philosopher Plato believed that music could harmonize the soul. The ancient Egyptians used music to treat infertility and ease childbirth. Throughout history, music has been an integral part of rituals, ceremonies, and celebrations. It has the power to bring people together, to soothe the soul, and to restore balance to the body and mind. Section 8. Music and meditation, a harmonious pair. Music and meditation are like two sides of the same coin. They complement and enhance each other beautifully. Music can make it easier to slip into a meditative state. It provides a focal point for the mind, blocking out distractions. The right music can facilitate a deeper, more profound meditation experience. Try incorporating healing energy music into your meditation practice. Choose music that feels calming and centering to you. As you listen, focus on your breath and let go of any thoughts or worries that arise. You can also use music for walking meditations. Find a peaceful spot in nature and listen to calming music as you walk. Pay attention to the sensations of your body moving, the rhythm of your breath, and the sounds around you. Section 9. Beyond relaxation, other applications of healing music. While relaxation and stress reduction are perhaps the most well-known benefits of healing energy music, its potential applications extend far beyond. Music therapists use specific types of music to address a wide range of conditions. These include autism, dementia, and emotional trauma. Healing music can help to improve communication, reduce anxiety, and even stimulate memories. In educational settings, calming music can create a more focused and productive learning environment. In hospitals, soothing music can help to calm patients, reduce pain, and promote healing. The possibilities of healing energy music are truly limitless. As we continue to explore its potential, we're likely to discover even more ways that music can enhance our lives and well-being. Section 10. Choosing your soundtrack. Finding the right music for you. With so many different types of healing energy music available, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. The most important thing is to find music that resonates with you, that brings you a sense of peace and well-being. Pay attention to how different types of music make you feel. Do you prefer calming nature sounds, uplifting melodies, or ambient soundscapes? Experiment with different artists, instruments, and genres, until you find what speaks to your soul. Don't be afraid to trust your intuition. If a particular piece of music makes you feel good, there's a good chance it's having a positive effect on your body and mind. And remember, your taste in music can evolve over time. Section 11. Conclusion. Embrace the healing power of music. Music is more than just entertainment. It's a powerful tool for healing, transformation, and personal growth. By incorporating healing energy music into our lives, We can tap into its profound ability to calm our minds, heal our bodies, and nourish our souls. As you've read, the science behind healing music is fascinating and complex, but the experience of it is simple and accessible to everyone. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to benefit from its power. So, I invite you to explore the world of healing energy music. Open yourself up to the possibility of healing and transformation through sound. Let the music guide you on a journey of self-discovery, inner peace, and well-being.